Morning, morning, morning. Sorry for the late run here. Sleep very good last night. Slept with my alarm.
Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas.
Mimo, let's go, bud. Merry Christmas to you. Jeez, the VIX is at freaking 14.5. $17, come on. That's horseshit. What days? Today and tomorrow. Then we have the 24th and 25th off. Luke gifting out 5. Luke, what's freaking going on, brother? You already making fat stacks?
Money. Okay. I smell money. Okay.
You already making Saidu? Saw they had news this morning. Shut up, down by loss. I'm gonna ban him. Do you ever trade options? I do on occasion, yeah. Not for the reason that most people trade them, though. What's in the swing? No, I unfortunately sold our IVN in 1950 the day before, or the day of. It went to 20 something. I have UMAC in there right now. I bought the. Actually, this is kind of my sell spot on it. We'll see what it does here at this 1120. But yeah, I bought the 200-day moving average. Looking to sell. Speaking of Rivian, watch these levels up here. F-Jet still isn't dead. I can't really take this here unless it gives me a W or some sort of setup. But you do have the daily level that it's... Wait, did it break it? Oh, it did break it up here. We gonna get a Santa rally? Aren't we at like all-time highs right now? Close to it? I don't know. I think the Santa rally doesn't exist. I don't think it's existed for a few years. It's more talked about than actual things happen. All right, 940. Watch that F-Jet. VELO juicing. Nice. It's a Hanukkah rally. Yeah, there you go. DJT, maybe a W. Wow, UMAC broke through in a big way. Are up near this 1164 now. Bullshit, Phil. Hello. What's that velo? It's a nice dip and rip. Yuck. It's nice on velo. It's gonna cuck and go. Damn. Cucked and goed. It cucked and goed. You're short RKLB? I mean, can I say? We probably both are gonna win on that trade. F chat, here it is. Damn, missed it. This is a 5-minute W here at the 950. Good morning to you, Chickabawa. Good shot. I needed that this morning. Core weave. Near high a day. Is this gonna make a move towards high a day or what? Bello has a W 1526. DJT trying to break it. Shit fills. F chat is cucking Bello with the W here. 1528.
I Neo.
Whoa, spreads. Liu Kong. I got you in a second, homie. I just got double dicked. It's a shocker, I know. Oh, and a cuck. What are the spreads on this thing? Yuck. I gotta take the L on that. What you got here, homie? INEO. All right. Both of you. Jeez. All right. 14 shares. 0.65. Boom.
INEO.
Both of you are in. Good Kong. Pizza. Wrangler. 7, 12, 22, 25. 7 each at 0.641. Boom. You're in. Put it on the sheet. All right, boom. You both are in. Locked and loaded. Corey's looking good. UAVS. Roger Dodger.
UAVS.
You're in. Oh, that's so funny. 12, 22, 25. 4 each at 109. That's too freaking funny. Oh. Boom, you both are in. Yeah, Sidew's interesting. Talk junk. Let's go, bud. 25. This Saidu might actually have some pretty big legs on this news. I just saw what it was. Hmm? Saidu daily levels, that 219 was a big one. Got this $3, big level. I got those in the swing account. Let this percolate all day. F jet high day, close to it. What's up, Biggs? Give me that 950. Jeez. This thing has got some range. It's kind of scary. Saidu over 235 we'll watch. Wi-Fi still chooching. Velo 5-minute. Don't know if I trust it, honestly. MACD's pretty heavily down. Pyro, let's go, bud. 6 months. What's with YouTube? Do we not have that up and running? Sorry about that, YouTube. Wi-Fi is still chooching. TMC is halfway there? Let's freaking go, flutes. Your buy was disgustingly perfect. F jet still hanging out. Huge range on this thing. Not a big fan of it, honestly. The daily's nice, but she's fickle. Saidu has a W up here at 235. No. Cock and drop. The old cock and drop. I'm good at it, man.
Soon I will get to 6, 7,
Freaking
6, 7, 6.
almost there. Took size too. I'm gonna bit me in the ass. Bogus Rogus. Let's go. 61. 6, 7. Jeez, these freaking kids. I'm not playing this until it gives me some kind of cuck fail. Coral Weave has some levels. Saidu's trying again. And it broke this time. Who would you recommend watching on YouTube to learn? I honestly don't know. I don't have time to watch the people that are out there. I have a YouTube channel. It's got older videos on it, but they're very relevant still. I would say staying here and asking questions is a great place to learn. This is the whole point of this channel. It's for the experienced trader to make call outs and people to check them out, and then the noob trader to learn and not lose money while you're learning. It's your first time watching a live stream and you're not seeing anything? He said to learn, SJ, not to watch someone torture possums. Hey. Is it really live? Sounds like a technical difficulty there. Saidu finally broke out. I'm still waiting for F-Jet to give me a cuck. There it goes. Finally. Yeah, if you don't see anything on the stream, you probably need to refresh or something. I didn't know you can actually pick up possums like that and not get rabies. They actually are one of the critters out there that don't carry, or very low chance of carrying rabies, because their blood temperature is like really low or something like that. Core Weave setting up. MACD is down, so this might be an in and out kind of play. And spreads, geez. F-Jet Holy... It had a 3 cent spread when I entered. 30 to 40 cent spread. What is that? Oh, this will be an L. That's what you call robbery right there. RKLB is doing like a 5-minute curl. Oh, might give me a chance here. It's this like 975 level. Could curl on it. Ayo. $10 now. Look, $9.95. Someone got filled there. I'm the only 500 shares out there. Someone else phantomly gets filled. Gotta love this shitty trade. I move. Oh, it immediately moves up. As soon as I get out, it immediately moves up. Some horse cockle. That is some horse cock. As soon as I exit, it goes high day. As soon as I exit. This shit happens every freaking time. There you go. Bogus, you can call me Steve Irwin. So I'm still red. I would have been green on the day if I would have held that 2 seconds longer. Saidu setting up a W for that 50 break. Oh, and now you Macos. You son of a bitch. Oh my gosh. F-Gen is just chooching. A lot of bids at 11 there. This might be pushing higher. RKLB, there's a diagonal through here. Might be a wedge, yeah. We put this in Discord. CoreWeave has a pretty weak 5 and 1 minute here. Kind of seeing if this is the trigger it needs to pop. It could still roll over, but watching it. Wi-Fi setting up. Jeez. All right, break of 11:12 will set it off on FGen. Man, I wish I was watching that CoreWeave. I kind of like that better right now. Push. 9 days, 33. Come on. Not breaking out. It's like slow grind. All right. Decent win. Didn't get the huge move I was looking for. What's with Benz? Damn. Back to the highs here. 517. I don't understand this. I think I'm just going to watch this, see how it acts. And it juiced. FGen has a 30-second cock or cuck and go on the 1140 level. Okay, it went. Kind of see that right here. Here's the cuck and there's the go. Men's halted up. Okay. Wi-Fi could go here. All right, boys, we got a sauce packet here. We're back to sauce packet territory. Core Wave 5 looking better and better. Kodak on the daily, huh? That's something. Oh, I didn't realize I was scrolled all the way down on chat. Damn it. Saidu setting up a 1. Still looking for that, or 5 minutes, sorry. It's still looking for that 50-cent break. Core Weave, let's see if that VWAP bounces. Spy shouldn't, yeah, it's near the lows. We'll see if we get like a flush and reclaim. It does have quite the gap here to fill, so wouldn't be surprised if that's what we end up doing. Chickabow, I ain't leaving that all day. It's a swing, baby. Anything getting government Golden Dome contract entry, I'm here for it, especially if it's a small cap. Crazy thing is that thing has been rumored to get that contract for like ever. So it's interesting that it finally got it. The Chrome Dome. Nice bounce on the market. Let's see if that continues. Can I like yeah, that's true. Was someone asking? If you're new to the channel, and this is the time of year where we get a lot of new people, be sure to highlight your message somehow so I see it. It's hard to keep up with chat and trade at the same time, so I only kind of pay attention to the things that are highlighted. Thank you, Good Banana. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't give you financial advice. I can kind of tell you trade ideas or something like that, but I can't tell you what to do with your money. Or can't recommend what you should do with your money. Men's juice and jeez. Okay. What's a significant break? Is that all you're going to do with it? No. It's got to hold this 50 or whatever this is. Of course, I'm in at 58. Unbelievable. The MACD didn't curl, so this is gonna be a trap, isn't it? Yeah. Go cuck. You know you will. Or shit. Sorry, Go Banana, if I dicked your trade. And we no longer have sauce packets. Multi-platform? Is it beneficial? Yeah. I mean, it increased my audience by like 10%. And it doesn't require anything different, so it's like a no-brainer. I just took CoreWeave because then I got dicked on it. Minus $1,000. Shut up, SJ T12. RKLB still inside the wedge. CoreWeave is still interesting, even though it just dicked me. It does have a squeeze forming. So whenever that fires, could get fun. AD. I saw it hit the scanners. It's interesting. It needs volume, so it's a little tough for me to trade it right now. But, I mean, the daily is something special. There goes FJet. High day. Good trade. Good trade. Oh, now CoreWeave wants to go. Sure, it's stolen my money. Squeeze is still forming. It still hasn't fired, so I'm still waiting for something. I don't know what it is. RKLB. Potential here. That absolutely should go. Get over 72. 71. You bastard. There it is. There we go. Hold 72. Or I could just drop 20 cents out of nowhere. Corey starting to do its thing. Squeeze is starting to fire. So we're coming up to resistance here, and we are kind of... It like needs to go soon, otherwise we're just going to reject this level. The Stoke's kind of capping out here. Take it off. Wi-Fi went high today. Really, really light volume, but it went. Hit me with a headline. This is a cuck. 1 minute cuck. Jet pulling back. Core weave, the squeeze is cooled off. It has not fired, but the Momo is still good. Trying it out. Seems to suck. Just install Thinkorswim. Most people here use Thinkorswim. I hate it, but I'm a minority in that, it seems. I use eTrade Pro, which you can't get because they're discontinuing it. So I don't know. A lot of brokers out there they all have their pros and cons. There's not like the best out there. COSM, insider purchasing here. Daily cock with it too. He knows what's up. F-Jet high a day. It's a tough one. The bid just doesn't go with it right away. Go, 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 go. Recorded. RKLB getting close here. It's pop or drop soon. Interactive brokers. I can't remember what my qualms were with it. It might have been the L2. I can't remember. I've actually never opened it up. And my qualms were probably very old by now. And still chooching. High day. Golly.
41 months of top tick Tommies and Juicer Magoosers stock J beers.
Let's go, Captain Burrito Pants with the 41, my man. MU 5-minute. Wow. I need to play that men's. Holy jeez. What language are you reading that in? Good banana. The hell am I looking at? Oh, another member? Okay. That makes sense. Actie's crossing down here on the 1 minute on men's, so careful. Even though this has been a good buy, it might not be now. Forgot to put the chucks on. There's a pretty tight 5 minute to play off of on RIVN here. 1 minute's really tight on the Bollinger Bands. All right, let's see what this does. If anything. Big cock and go too. Hopefully it does something. It's a 5-minute cuck and go. Like this. Come on. Come on. Side of you taking a poopy poop. Jeez. There you go, Rivian. There you go. Get on up. Get that VWAP 35. All right. This is going to dig me. All right. RKLB. Back at it on the 5-minute. Oh, there goes our Rivian. Damn it. Damn it. Got to break 79. There it is. Go. We'll break 94 now. Don't give back 79. Oh, gave it back. Gave it back. That's bad. Reclaim, you bastard. Good. Good. $95 break wouldn't be an ad. Mother. Stop. Stop. You're going to cuck. U.S. November retail sales report rescheduled for Jan 14. Oh, that's fun. HX. Halt it up. Okay. There's your cuck gonna happen. This is shit. Told you. There it is. Go. Oh, now it goes. It's the weirdest break. That's a 3-point diagonal, so this is a real level. Told you. Freaking up $94 today. What am I doing? Nene with the KULR. Nice move so far today. Shut up, Luke Hong. Let's look at your SLV there, Luke. Holy dung. RKLB. This is beautiful. So glad I dicked the trade. I should buy this. Your green 97 cents, CFS. So it's not just me today, huh? That would have been a great buy. Of course, I didn't take it. Your red 39. What is the deal today? Things are actually moving. Like, how are we not making money today, boys? We're washed up. Red 2K. Hilo. Let me give you some advice, Hilo. Don't go red 2K. I know I'm not a financial advisor, but I think that's good advice. I'm speaking from experience here. All right, unfortunately on CoreWeave, this was a false break, and now it is squeezing to the downside with fire and green. So no bueno there. Choose to getting dicked. That's right. Soon red 5K. I more times than I would like to admit that I'd be within $100 of being green and ended up the day $2,000 red. So Josh Brown long CSX. Thank you, Josh Brown. He says this is a buy right now. Are these guys on TV, financial advisors? Oh, he owns a hedge fund though, doesn't he? Or runs a hedge fund. RKLB. Nice move. All right, we're $160. There's a clause on CNBC that they can't mention under $5 stocks, and they can't mention certain market cap stocks. Only way I know that is because I remember Kramer talking about it. and he did it one time. He said, I'm not supposed to do this, blah blah blah, and he brought up a stock. I don't think he said, I can't remember the circumstance. It might have been that it was up a stupid amount and it made the news, or he recommended it. I can't remember. GANX, juicing? Wow, look at that. What's up with solar? That's a move. FSLR. Can we make it not? No, we cannot make it not safe for work channel. Jeez. That's just called my DMs. Wow, thank you, E-Trade. The fill was absolutely stunning. Oh, Intersect is being acquired by Google. I didn't know that was a solar company. So that's why FSLR moved. And that's why this is going to move, right? Watch FSLR 1 minute. Oh, FSLR has been in agreement. So Trade Exchange said that they had a deal or something with Intersect. The layers are so glad I'm not in RKLB right now. So glad I didn't watch that one for 20 minutes and then decide to not make money on it. HX out of the hole, still moving up. Lunar near high day. Nice call, Tom. F-Jet curling off the 5-minute 90 EMA. My gosh. I wish it would give me a pullback. All right, potty break. Be right back. Can't find my phone. Can't poop without your phone.
Happy holidays.
Miss anything? VIX at 1440. Nice. I did wash my hands, Pizza Wrangler. Thank you for looking out for me. Wow, run went all the way up there, huh? Okay. FSLR 5-minute. FChat 5-minute building. ACD down. Rivian got some levels it's playing with. Or KLB broke everything existence. Men's teams. Okay. Back D scares me. Let's see if that 750 holds. It did. Second attempt to defend. Held again. That's a dip. Oh. No. Come on. No. Get over 40. Thank you. Thank you. We're 50 for a second. Horseshit, Phil. These spreads just will not allow me to make money. Selling the ask button would be fantastic right now, you turd. 758. Okay. All right, we made money. Where's my... Do I not have it? Huh. Okay. FJet 5-minute. Very interesting. Yeah. Okay. Just missed it. Great trade idea. Saidu trying to build out a double bottom here on the 5 minute, right off the VWAP. That would be ideal. So up here at this 227 break could get you moved back to that 250. Joe went. It's a nice 5 minute to play off of. Okay. Oh my gosh. Come on, guys, I'll pull back. There's our pullback. That was a cuck and go on the 32nd. Thought it was going to go. Guess not. All right. 1 minute would be a 70 break. Bullshit fills. It hit 90 and then freaking 40-cent spread. Another base hit. Five sec. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. $16. Unbelievable. FSLR ascending triangle. Oh, the volume's pretty light on this. Don't really want to get stuck in it. Something to watch. There's that Saidu. It's coming up to these levels here. This 227 holds, it'd be you kind of see it's a pivot here. Should get you a decent move. Start seeing chunks get taken out, that'd be great. Nice. How is it? It like just shifts without the proper volume to do the shifting. Okay. Missed out on that one. Still having the swing account, so we're there still. But the trade sucked. I haven't traded IONQ. I see the quantum plays moving. $40. Sorry about that. Trump media buys 40 million in Bitcoin. Y'all do your Christmas shopping, get it all done. I finally finished mine yesterday. This is probably the earliest I've gotten it done. I forgot one of my nieces and I like had a panic attack. So besides that, she like bowling. No. See, that's the problem. No one in my family bowls. I'm missing out. What did I get? My niece? I don't know. Whatever my freaking sister told me, it was like clip-in hair extensions, a stupid sign. I don't know. I can't even remember. She just sent me links. I added a card and I pushed buy. I was like, phew. Forget your Powerball. Yeah, I know. I freaking bought 3 tickets. When I say 3 tickets, I mean 3 $20 tick. I buy $20. I always buy 20 bucks. Whenever the Powerball gets over 500 million, that's my number. I'm like, okay, it's at 500 million. Now I can buy. Because, you know, anything under 500 million, not worth my time. 1 billion's your number. See, I feel like I got to creep in. 500 million's the sleeper. Once you get to 1 billion, then you're no doubt going to be splitting it anyway. So that's why 500 million's my level. If I ever win. Oh, you think I'm going away if I win? Are you kidding me? I'm going to load up an account with $100 million in it, and I'm going to stream. If that doesn't bring in the peeps, I don't know what does. You think I'm going away? No, I'm just getting started if I win the freaking Powerball. Oh, you mean you want me to give you money? Oh, I see. On what broker? I don't know. Some rich broker that only super uber rich people have access to. The stream will turn into a swing trader stream Also, I will buy things monthly with my $20 million dividend that I will be getting. No doubt on whatever I buy. Can you imagine? So what is that? 1.6 billion now? Is that what the level's at right now? Okay. So let's just say you took the early cash out, which I probably wouldn't, because you know what? I'd be like, bitch, I want all the money. I don't even care that, you're supposed to take the most, cash out and then you invest it and you're going to outdo what you could have made in 20 years. Bullshit. I want 1.6 billion guaranteed. Anyway, so yeah, 55 million for 30 years. I know, right? What am I going to do with 250 million that I couldn't do with, anyway. But say you cashed out. What is it? 1.6 billion dollars right now? That is a stupid number. You cash out number, you're at 800 million. You can go ahead and axe half of that for taxes. So you're walking away, cash out $400 million. Say you were the only winner, right? 400 million. If you reward. There's Saidu, right back to the highs, baby. Called that shit. All right, $400 million cash out. All right, that's after taxes. It's your walk home pay right now. You put it in something that gives you a 10% divvy a year, that's $40 million. What am I not going to be able to do with that? We're just going to go on a buying stream. We're just going to start being Robin Hood. Buying shit from me and then buying shit. I'm going to be, what is this, Steve-O? Not Steve-O. I can't even remember that. Whatever. We're just going to be tossing dollar bills. We're going to be the cause for inflation.
For a start smiley face.
Steve will do it. Yeah, that's who I was thinking of. Stream from the bowling alley. Sicario, let's go 17. Pay people, make my own broke. Now you're talking. Put all these bitches out of freaking work. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, E-Trade, that. You done up, E-Trade. You done up. You give me some money? You're going to give me some money now? Oh, you're going out of business. That's it. That's the ultimate play. Great call. Great call. Go to TOS, suck a dick, Salt Life. Or get serious. Because, we're talking serious stuff here. SJ buys. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to be the Elon Musk for the day trader, though. I'm going to, he bought Twitter, gave free speech to all. I'm going to free E-Trade. That's it. That's the play. I'm going to buy it back. I'm going to buy it back. Then I'm going to make it direct access. Possum train. Look at that. And then present with 100 posts. Wait, what? Was you talking about? You're telling me? Jeez, is this? It's just doing it automatically and posting on it? Are you freaking kidding me? Cats. I didn't mention anything about cats. What are we doing here, Nene? What the hell is this? I'm telling you, if you're not in the 100% club, you're missing out on quality material. Saidu going for it. Buy on E-Trade, make it mine. See, that's the thing. Do I save E-Trade or do I let it burn and create a better competitor that ultimately Morgan Stanley has to buy? I don't know. Tell you something though. Or do I say, Morgan Stanley, you want $400 million on your books? Guess what? You keep E-Trade open. That's the deal. And you fix that shit. And you fire everyone that said that they didn't want to fix that shit. Then you got $400 million. Clip it. Clip it. By the way, we got to pick out a clip from last week and reward that viewer with a subscription. Let's take a look real quick. See if there was anything worthy from Friday. Well, I gave you plenty of content too. Plenty of content. Look what you guys named this shit. Cock and drop size, cock and drop. I mean, listen, you fat. I know you're wanting to stuff your little pie hole with an SJ cake. Probably got some kind of kink going on with that. I understand, but everybody else. That's a terrible clip. Like you started it too late. There's too much dead space. Then the funny part, you only got a quarter of it. That's terrible. It's terrible editing. Every time I take size, it's cock and drop.
Gilead will cut the hepatitis C medication, Epclusa. Of hepatitis B medication.
You dicked me.
Baraclude.
Cock and drop, man.
$400 to $400.
Every time I take size, it's cock and drop.
Gilead will cut the hepatitis C medication, Epclusa, from nearly $25,000 to less than $2,000.
And there's now that's too long. There's nothing.
$1,500, $1,500
Don't dick me here. Come on.
$117. And it will cut the cost of hepatitis B
You
medication.
dick me.
Baraclude.
Cock and drop, man.
$400 to $400.
Every time I take size, it's cock and drop.
Gilead will cut the hepatitis C medication, Epclusa, from nearly $25,000 to less.
All right, we're using that one. Holy G Ghost, you get a sub. Let me edit this up.
RKLB, more highs now up about 10.5%.
You didn't watch the other clips. There was other ones? Which I thought we did these already. 1919. We watched the stock competition one. That's just the explainer. What's this? This clip, for those that don't know, if you make a clip that I... Okay. This is the 18th.
So I've always told my children, don't take drugs, no drinking, no smoking, and just stay away from drugs. I have been, they would look at me and they said, Dad, would you stop saying that? I would say it every time I looked at it practically. Young Americans are especially at risk.
This is the one that Teddy already won on with this one.
Recommended by a doctor for medical reasons, just don't do it. At the same time, the
Nothing going on here.
When tremendous problems.
What are we talking about? I didn't miss anything. Frosting on it. And not the cheap. Give me the good stuff. Give me the juicy good yum yum. So you missed so much stuff there. Guys know how to clip. I'm trying to give you free subs. Make sure I got them all. We'll go with this one.
Went to chat room circulation attempts, ticker GEV, Golf Echo Victor.
On GEV, talk about cautious comments out by RBC following the headlines in regards to the U.S. government halting activity on offshore wind projects. That's GEV, cautious comments out by RBC.
All right, where are you, the holy G ghost? Saidu, about the juice, like Daddy called it. Watch this 45 flat top. Download anything? No, it's a start and an end point. It's pretty easy to do. It's pretty easy to do. Say, I told Jake Paul was gonna lose to Anthony Joshua. It's so dumb how the kid was running around for 6 rounds, boring as hell, a fight, and then finally gets tired running around, decides to square up with AJ, and he gets knocked out. People are saying respect to Jake Paul, but I don't get what there is to give respect to. He ran around. I mean, I got to give him some. It went exactly how we thought, right? I mean, Jake Paul is not going to try to go toe-to-toe in round 1 with Anthony Joshua. Now, I will say this, and I was telling my buddy while I was watching it, I was like, Anthony Joshua is in spar mode. And it was pretty clear that there was some sort of understanding or clause or whatever that said you cannot go full bore until the 5th round, until 4 rounds are over, halfway through the fight. Because there is a clear difference between Anthony Joshua rounds 1 through 4 and then round 5. Absolute difference. So, I mean, which makes a little sense. You got to get all your advertising dollars in between the rounds. There's whatever. But when Anthony Joshua flipped the switch, it was very evident. No. You meant go easy as in no knockout. No knockout. I didn't think that was true. And clearly I was right about that. So it was did you see the freaking picture of his jaw though? I'm gonna show it here. I think I can show it. So for those that don't know, the knockout punch. Let's watch the knockout punch real quick.
GEV RBC out with cautious.
For those that don't
comments.
know, Anthony Joshua was like
Still
250
believe the
and
announcement that the
Jake
US
Paul
government
is
is halting
210
activity on
in this
offshore wind
fight.
projects that result in
Insane
desperate delays for GEV at the Vineyard Wind
disadvantage.
project. That's Golf Echo Victor.
Yeah, he broke his jaw. All right, let's see. Jake Paul.
GEV shares falling here now.
Knockout. Hopefully it's not scrubbed from the internet yet.
Up 60 cents off the highs. That's Golf Echo Victor.
I think so. At this point, it is pretty clear that Jake Paul is completely gassed. He keeps falling down and grabbing onto. Wait, this is round 1. I don't care about round 1. All right. Here's the end. close to it.
Best shot at the moment. Not that much is going to happen. And it almost. Oh, there's a
There it is, right there. And you can watch Anthony Joshua. He knew exactly what he was doing. His whole point: jab the stomach and then finish up top. Watch his eyes on this. He broke his jaw on this punch, and he almost got up.
I give Jake Paul credit for stepping in there in the first place, going 6 rounds. All those people that says if this doesn't get past the first round,
Here it is.
A loss for Anthony
That's
Joshua.
not it.
He did what he was
Watch
supposed
the
to do.
stomach.
We
Watch
also
his
give a
eyes.
little
Watch his
credit
eyes.
now to Jake Paul.
Boom!
Anthony Joshua, he did what he was supposed to do. We also give a little due credit now to Jake Paul.
Boom! All right, that finished him, right? So here's the picture of his jaw that he broke. Look at his teeth. Completely caved in here. Normal, broken. Completely caved in. Josh was never really pursuing him. Yeah, well. That, my friend, hurts. He will be eating out of a freaking straw for like a month. So he broke it in 2 places. The dude's toast. He got 90 million. They both got 90 million. Payday. We all got what we wanted, which was Jake Paul getting pummeled. That's worth 92 million. Yeah, and I think Jake Paul knew that too. I mean, if you're who's going to watch you? You finally get the idea of, okay, I'll go against Anthony Joshua. I'll get my ass kicked, but you know what? I'm going to get my ass kicked for $90 million. Done. We all sign up for that deal. And he doesn't ever have to do another one. He could be done now. He lost 33 million on taxes. It's still, which is crazy to say, but it's his biggest payday ever. Anthony Joshua, this is his biggest payday ever. Of course he's going to do that fight. Holy Ghost, are you here? Holy G Ghost. Gift a sub. Gift a specific viewer. Holy G Ghost. He's already a sub. That's annoying. I'm sure you got great immediate medical attention to. Oh, for sure. They all do. Never mind, I'll take this up. All right. All right, I'm calling it early today. I got some stuff to do before Christmas. We got it green today, right? $400. All right, $400, whatever. Not trying to go. Did you watch the Andrew Tate fight? Is that fight? Oh, did he actually fight? I thought that was coming up. Is it already over? Anyway, calling it on the 20th. I missed it. Did he win? Did he lose? He lost by TKO or knockout or decision. Watch Final Next. How did he lose? Decision. Okay. Well, I'm sure that fight was probably better than the one Jake Paul, Anthony Joshua. Jake Paul. Anyway, be back at it tomorrow. Remember, short week this week, so don't get red. Don't ruin your holiday vacation. Be back tomorrow. Just trying to end out the year nice and easy. Nice and easy. No big dips. See you guys later.